Welcome to the Wheelhouse Production Workflow Guide. In this video, we'll explore how to effectively complete production operations. The Wheelhouse production lifecycle connects sales orders to manufacturing through a structured process. When order management releases a sale, a job is created for the sale and a work order is created for each item on the sale. Labor routing defines the steps an item follows during production. Templates, which are preset for each item, apply these steps automatically to work orders. Production agents then complete these operations sequentially in workflow until all operations are finished. In today's video, we'll focus on this workflow step of the production lifecycle. Next, the work order can be closed. Once all work orders are complete, the job can be closed to finish the production lifecycle. From there, the sale returns to order management for invoicing and finalization. Work order routing in Wheelhouse looks like this. Operations are completed in order, moving through different work centers until all steps are finished and the work order is closed. To get started, log in as a production employee and navigate to Workflow in the left menu. The screen will display all work centers configured for your company. Scrolling horizontally reveals additional work centers, and toolbar filters are available to customize your view. The toolbar offers flexible filtering options like searching for work orders, filtering visible queues, and filtering by work center. Within each work center, you'll find 3 operation queues: running, ready to start, and completed. To start an operation, simply drag and drop into the running queue. The header toolbar offers operator-specific controls, including a toggle for auto-starting operations, the ability to set default work centers, and a reset screen button to refresh the window. To manage an operation, either select or scan the QR code. When controlling workflow progress, use pause when going on lunch or taking a short break, and stop to stop running the operation for a longer period of time, putting the operation back into the ready-to-start queue for the work center. Complete is used to finalize the operation and advance the work order to its next step. When an operation is running, a variety of actions become available. Select the work order to access detailed information, including item specifics, quantity, associated job, connected sale, and operation time. The ellipses drop-down offers a variety of functions depending on your company's system configuration and the specific operation. This may include production labels, serial number assignment, printing packing lists, and other functions specific to your company. To add a serial number, use the auto-generate option and serial numbers will be assigned for all items on the order that require serial numbers. Alternatively, serial numbers may be entered manually to associate specific item serial numbers with the work order and sale. Detailed packing lists can also be generated. Packing lists for sales include all items on the job, which may include multiple work orders. This is helpful when shipping all items from a job at the same time. Packing lists for work order include the item on this work order. Work order QR cards can also be generated. If an operation has pre-configured steps, a procedure icon will appear. These guided instructions assist production employees in completing their tasks, often including additional guidance and interactive checklists that can be marked off during the operation. If inspections are pre-configured for a work center, you can begin an inspection by clicking the balance scale icon. This opens a slide-out window where the inspection result can be set. After creating the inspection, click the X to close it. If you're the final inspector in the production process and the inspection is fully resolved, you may select the double check mark instead. Production issue management is accessed through the caution icon. Employees can create new issues by selecting the plus icon and adding relevant details. When an issue arises, the recommended workflow is to stash the work order until resolution. Simply click the blue stash button and select an appropriate bay. If no stash locations appear, it means a production administrator hasn't set any up for that area. In that case, skip the stashing step. Once the issue is addressed, use the Set as Resolved button to clear the issue. Related job and sale files can be added with drag and drop or directly with camera images. Before packaging an order, we suggest taking a final photo of the product and adding it to the sale file. Doing this makes the image available to the customer service team should they need to refer to it during a call from the customer. Shipment tracking can be added by selecting the shipping truck icon and entering the tracking number. The toolbar provides dedicated sections for operation and work order notes. Operation notes are only visible at this specific operation. Work order notes are visible during all operations. When the operation is finished, select Complete to update the work order and send it to the next operation. When all operations are finished, the work order will be marked as ready for production managers to close. This concludes our guide to the Wheelhouse Workflow app. For more detailed information, visit wheelhousemfg.com. Thank you for watching.